Kia ora, Chrissy back again, and we're going to get into the next episode of Chainsaw Man.
Like, comment, and subscribe, please.
So last time we find that Makima is actually still alive. She managed to survive the assassination attempt on the train. She also took it out on the people that tried to kill her by some weird ritual that she performed with some convicts and turned them into mincemeat out of nowhere. It was a hell of a sight. The ghost devil did manage to revive Denji by pulling his ripcord, though that didn't last long after the katana devil sliced him clean in half. It was a hell of a thing. But before they could take off with his body, Kobeni, who also survived thanks to Arai's sacrifice, came to help and scared the others off. She feels she's lost her mind. Yeah, she's crying. She's laughing, apologizing to Denji for trying to murder him. I really feel for her. She's the job that she has, it's not the easiest job in the world. At the end, though, we find that the 4 divisions have now, what was left, coalesced into one division and is under Makima's control. And one of the other members hints that this was probably something that Makima foresaw. So I don't know what is going on in the long run. I can't wait to find out. So we're going to get into the next episode. If you want the full length reaction to this episode, you can go to my Patreon. The link will be down in the description box below. Otherwise, just give this video a like, commenting, subscribing to my channel. Any of that will help me as well, and I'd appreciate it. All right, let's get into it. Oh, Aki. Oh, he's okay. And oh, and Power! She came back after running off. That's her excuse? Guys! Power.
小紅ってチビとメガネの男も生き残ったみたいだけど公安辞めたんだと。
Oh, that was Madoka.
俺とパワコはマキマさんに呼ばれてるから帰るぜ。
Powie.
リンゴ1個だけ残しといてやるよ。
So upset about Himeno. All of it.
Kasu, 俺はあと何年生きれる?
Oh.
2年.
Is that the sacrifice for using the cursed devil? Been there, buddy. You can cry for her now. Wow. Yeah.
Ma, そりゃ泣くよな。大勢仕事仲間が死んだらしいし、バディの姫野も死んだわけだしな。あれ？俺は全然泣けねえんだけど。ポチタが死んだ時は悲しかったな。でも姫野死んでも。
Probably a bit different though.
パワーが死んだら泣けるか。泣けねえかな。マキマさんが死んだら。マキマさんが死んだら。多分俺はしばらくへこむけど、3日後には楽しく毎日を過ごせてると思う。
Doesn't have like capacity for emotions anymore now that he's some kind of hybrid?
心臓だけじゃなく人の心までなくなっちまったのか。まあシリアスなことは考えなくていい。
It's so typical Denji, you know, he has these deep moments.
さっさとマキマさんに会いに行こ
He has these deep moments and then just kind of flits them off.
う。どうも。あれ泣いてた。
私たちマキマさんに頼まれて京都から得意4課を指導に来ました。
指導。
That's a good question. Does he have his heart? Or is it because, you know, it's Pochita now that it doesn't work quite in a human way?
マキマさんが指導してくれるんですか。
残念だけど私は忙しくなっちゃうから適任を紹介するね。
Uh-oh.
君たちを指導するのは彼だよ。彼の名前は
黙れ。俺の質問に答えろ。仲間が死んでどう思った？
別に。
死んだと思った。
敵に復讐したいか？
復讐とか暗くて嫌いだね。
わしも。
お前たちは人と悪魔どっちの味方だ？
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
勝ってる方。
Wow. I love how honest they are.
お前たちみたいのはめったにいない。素晴らしい。大好きだ。マキマ、お前は帰れ。今すぐこいつらは指導だ。俺は得意一家でデビルハンターをやってる。好きなのは酒と女と悪魔を殺すことだ。
Oh god, I thought he like snapped them both in half. Maybe. Oh god. Okay.
お前たちの筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ。人間様と違うのは
血の匂いじゃ。
血を飲めば復活するとこだな。
ちくしょう。
お前の心臓がなぜか知らんが銃の悪魔に狙われている。なのにお前が簡単にやられる雑魚だから困った。
He does do that.
俺は人間を鍛えたことはあるが、お前たちみたいな悪魔は一度もない。俺は最強のデビルハンターだ。最強の俺を倒せる悪魔は最強なわけだから。
Yeah, okay. I like it.
俺はお前たちを狩り続ける。
Oh, interesting.
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
も
Oh, be careful. So he's gonna spend just all this time hunting them down and killing them? Or, you know. He did just tell you that he's the best devil hunter there is, right? Jesus, Denji. Oh!
男の方は不死身、魔人の方は半分不死身。俺はガキの頃から力が強くておもちゃをすぐ壊しちまう。だから壊れないおもちゃが欲しかったんだ。
Oh my god, this guy's a fucking maniac.
お前たちを最高に生かした奴らにしてやるよ。
His methods are crude.
コン。
Oh shit. Oh, the fox is gone?
君は狐を無茶に使って嫌わ
Oh, okay.
れた。もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろうね。
私たちは得意課にいる人間組のキャリア相談に来ました。やめへんならもっと強い悪魔と契約して得意課に貢献してもらわなあかんみたいです。
公安やめて残りの人生楽しむか、公安続けて地獄を見るか。
家族を殺したやつもバディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。なのになんでやめれるんですか？
So are these two like super badasses as well? Is that why it's up to them to help Aki?
明日また来てくれる。
Oh,
明日また来てくれる。
okay. I like it.
今日はもう帰る。
ああ、今日はもう帰る。
明日また来てくれる。
ああ、今日はもう帰る。
明日また来てくれる。 女性のお客さん来てますよ。じゃごゆっくり。
Huh? Who the hell is this? Family member? Didn't they all die?
明日家に迎えに行くからな。
Traumatized.
Yeah.
また頭が故障しておる。乗れ乗れ乗れ。
What the fuck?
俺は今日何回殺された。
20回以上じゃ。
Wow.
ウヌが死んだ時、だいたいわしも気絶しとるから正確にはわからん。
Holy shit, that guy is a monster. I like it.
あのアルチュー野郎。俺たちおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。だんだんマジでムカついてきたぜ。
わかった。
何が？
あいつを倒す方法じゃ。あいつは超強いが。じゃが酒で頭がダメになっておる。頭脳であいつをぶっ殺すか。
Oh, you guys are gonna get like just so destroyed.
アルチュージジ。
俺たちの日常を壊すやつは死だ。
死の武器か。頭狙ってきやがった。待ち伏せしやがって。今度は俺が狩られる側ってわけだな。
Wow. Clever. Too slow.
今までで一番良かったぞ。追い詰められた獲物は頭を使うもんだな。
Is that it?
パワーは今の戦い方だと血を使いすぎて本体が
Oh,
貧血
okay.
になることと、デンジが俺の攻撃を予測できなかったところだ。今回は良かったからもう終わりだ。俺は飲みに行く。
You got the day to yourself.
もう終わりだって。
ラッキーじゃ。
Oh! Oh, I had to put that last one in there.
獣が狩人の言葉を信用するな。
Oh, Denji.
君は仕事に復帰したらライオンの檻に飛び込むんです。身を守る武器は必要やろ。
ここには公安が生け捕りにした悪魔たちがぶち込まれてる。ここで武器を見つけましょう。
Oh, so they pick out the deals they make contracts with, like personally?
関係ないですけど、昨日の美人、彼女さんですか？
すぐそういう話やめな。
How did those two get those scars across their noses? Because they're like identical.
妹の方です。
あらら。じゃあ殴られました？
いえ、手紙をもらいました。
あなたが読むべきなのでお渡しします。
Is it just gonna make him cry even more?
この部屋にいる悪魔とアキ君は契約してもらいます。
Are you asking him to, or are you telling him
未来の
to?
悪魔。公安でこいつと契約している人は2人。
Oh,
1人は寿命半分、もう1人は両目と味覚、嗅覚を差し出しています。
Good God. So who's the other two? That's unnerving. No! Fuck. Not a lot of action in that episode, though. I don't know the name of the guy who was training Denji and Power. Sorry. Mesmerized by the animation. Yeah, what was I saying? The I don't know the name of the guy, the devil hunter from Division 1. But is he the same guy? I can't bloody remember. Is he the same guy that was talking to Himeno like in an earlier episode when she was at these graves as well? But he seems like I might actually quite enjoy his character. I like that what he's doing with Power and Denji and how he's going to train them by basically hunting them. Though them turning the tables on him, you know, well, it was a good try. I mean, it did nothing, of course. I knew that Denji and Power were going to be like a really good duo. Like I think I said something like great mates. I think I even said that about Denji and Aki, and that's probably not going to come to light. Not like how Denji and Power are. I love their duo. I think they are hilarious together. And I love that they are going to try, you know, everything they can to get this. I don't know what his name is. Like I said, this devil hunter, and him in turn doing everything he can to, you know, train them by killing them, by hunting and killing them. I think that is so funny. Everything going on with Aki, you know, how he feels about finding this letter that he finally realizes probably how much Himeno actually meant to him, that she wanted to leave the public service with him, and going into you know, hopefully get this contract with the future devil, because the Fox Devil is angry with him and is refusing to work with him. But this was a lot more calm, this episode, than our previous ones. You know, we've kind of taken a breath. There was no Kabeni this episode, whether she's going to stick around with the agency or not. It wasn't mentioned that she decided to go private or left. So I assume that she's going to stick around. But I think the more important things in this episode were Power and Denji, you know, being made to have to learn how to fight, basically, because as the guy said, you know, he gets his ass beat more than anything. And you know what's going on with Aki and hopefully getting this new contract. So we're going to just leave it there for today. Thank you for joining with me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time for more Chainsaw Man. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We'll see you next time.